So hello friends, today we will discuss about the test of capacitors. Capacitor is also known as condenser. So how to determine and how to test the capacitor is good or not. So firstly determine taking a capacitor of 2.5 microfarad. Actually we have used in house commercially in household 2.5 4 microfarad 1.5 microfarad. This is the rating of the capacitors and some temperature gradients, but doesn't matter what are the rating and what is the capacity of these capacitors. So first of all we have to taking a two terminal of the capacitor. So look at this video. Firstly taking two terminal positive and negative of capacitor and put in the supply board. So taking a supply from supply board electrically, and then after the capacitor will be charged, but in some time immediately it will be discharged in within 1 second and 2 seconds. So then after we'll spark it. So positive negative will strike and after it will spark. So the method is that this is the method to determine.